Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two powerful tools for managing projects, tracking data, or collaborating with your team, because both tools offer incredible features, but which one should you actually be using? We will break down the pros and cons, pricing, and the key features to help you choose the right tool for your needs. So let's begin. Smartsheet is a cloud-based work management and automation platform designed to help teams and organization plans, track, and manage work more efficiently. It combines elements of a project management, collaboration, and workflow automation in an intuitive spreadsheet-like interface, and that is familiar to users but also offers powerful features for task management. Now, as you can see, there are like top corner options for you to check from. If you wanted to know the pricing before you create an account, you might want to click on this option. You would notice that the Pro comes with $9 per member per month, and you have all these benefits for you. The business, which is the most popular, is at $19. The enterprise is for custom pricing, but of course, if you want to scale up, you might want to contact the sales associates and book a demo or book a discovery call for you to do that. But for now, we're going to click the try for free button to test waters and gauge if Smartsheet is going to be the tool for you. Now, you see you have options to create your account here in Smartsheet using Google, Microsoft, Apple, and if you want to use your business or personal email, you are welcome to do that. And from there, you should be able to receive a welcome email such as this one, stating that you have successfully created your account in Smartsheet. Matter of fact, we have covered Smartsheet in the past that you might want to check in our channel. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. But the idea is that one of the key features for Smartsheet is that it offers a familiar spreadsheet-based layout for managing tasks, projects, and data. All right, it allows users to add columns for tasks, dates, owners, and status, organizing them in rows. If you click all the features right here, you see you can have the dashboards right here. You can build a branded and widget-based display that combines live data from sources like Google Docs, Tableau, and YouTube for formulas and function. You can streamline decision-making process, enabling users to perform. You have the reports, forms, work insights, and workload tracking. You also have the option for the integration, which comes handy because Smartsheet integrates with a variety of third-party applications, including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Slack, and more to streamline workflows and centralize information. All right. Now, our next contender is Microsoft Excel. It needed no introduction because it is a powerful spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft, widely used for data analysis, financial modeling, accounting, and other business-related tasks. Obviously, it is part of the Microsoft Office suite, although it's now also available as a standalone application or as part of the Microsoft 365, which is formerly Office 365 through a subscription. Now, if you are already familiar with Microsoft Excel Online, you might want to click the sign up for free button. What will happen is if you click this one, you will be forwarded to the sign up option, but we're not going to do that for now. Instead, we're going to look on the plans and pricing because before we create an account, we might want to check if the budget and the needs or rather comes into play. So click that. If you do, you have two options. You have an option for the home or for business. We're going to check for both. Now for home, you have the $99.99 per year, which is going to be this. You have all these options for you. You can take advantage of these perks and benefits. For 1 to 6 people, sign into 5 devices at once. You can use on PCs, Macs, phones, and other devices, and you have all these. Now, you have a generous 1-month free trial for you to take advantage and then cancel anytime. No questions asked. That's for the home. For the monthly, you have all these. right? $9.99 per month. So they have the family and the personal, which is kind of like less, all right? That is for one person only. But if you're going to scale up and look for the business, you see, you have all of these: Microsoft 365 Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium, and the apps for business. You have all of these perks and advantages for you to try. Now we're going to click the sign up for free option, and then we will be forwarded here in the platform. You can create a blank workbook. Basically, you know how it is. You can upload a file, right? If you click the create a blank workbook, or you might want to start from these amazing templates: course schedule, annual budget. Like if you want to preview if this is going to be the template that you're going to using, you might want to click that. So I'm going to click this, edit in Excel. But what happens is we will be forwarded here. All right. As you may notice, one of the key features here in Microsoft Excel is the grid-based layout. Excel uses a grid of rows and columns where users can enter data right here, okay, which can be numbers. I'm going to rename this. Now, for formulas and function, Excel includes hundreds of built-in formulas right here for complex calculations such as sum, average, VLOOKUP, or statements and more. All right. Users can create custom formulas for advanced data manipulation. And because powerful tools like pivot tables and pivot charts right here, right, allows users to analyze and summarize large data sets, because they offer a variety of chart types right here. If you want to insert a chart types right here, allowing users to visualize data for a bar, line, pie, etc. They also have the options to sort out here. You can use the filtering and sorting options. Users can sort data ascending or descending order and apply filters to view specific subsets of information. Not only that, you have the option here to export a copy. You can download as PDF, as ODS, download as CSV, because it supports exporting data to various formats. Now, we highly suggest you choose Microsoft Excel for detailed data analysis, reporting, budget, and tasks that requires advanced calculation, right? It's not debatable. We have been using Microsoft Excel for so many years. It's ideal for finance, accounting, data analysis, and other fields where raw data manipulation is very essential. On the other hand, you choose Smartsheet if you need to manage projects, collaborate with a team, and track progress over time. It's ideal for industries like, construction, marketing, IT, and healthcare, where project management features are the key. But the idea is that choosing between Smartsheet and Excel depends on the specific tasks you need to accomplish, the scale of your projects, of course your budget, and the collaboration requirements. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.